Wellness is multidimensional. In my house, skincare and hair care are a major part of our self-care routine. We have weekly deep conditioning sessions, and for years I've made my own massage oil blends. I love to customize and do it myself because I can control for quality and I know really what's going into it. I'm so excited to share with you one of my go-to hair mask recipes as well as one of my massage oil blends. I've been making my own massage oil blends for years. It's an absolutely wonderful way for me to start my day with beautiful scents and a luxurious oil. It's very important when you're making a blend, if you're using an essential oil, to use a carrier oil. You don't want to put the essential oil directly onto your skin or hair. For my combination, I start with apricot oil. I think it's really the unsung hero of carrier oils. It's filled with essential fatty acids. And then I add in some shea nut oil. Usually there's no greasy residue that's left over and it blends so nicely. I also add in some jojoba oil. It's very versatile. And then lastly, almond oil. Very, very nourishing for the skin. And for my scent, I add the purifying scent of geranium oil. All that combination together is so wonderful and it's like a spa every morning. My hair mask is pretty simple to put together. I start with a base of mayonnaise and then I add in argan oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. Argan oil is known as Moroccan gold and it's a must-have for hair types that love moisture. And coconut oil helps to revitalize the scalp and hair. Shea butter helps to seal the moisture in all the way from the scalp to the root. Now I know that this might not sound appealing, but it's excellent for hair that loves moisture. It's a fun activity to put together and my daughter and I love doing it. We use it all the time.